Alright, earlier I didn't get a chance to I just show you how to clean it and use one of these right there. If you want to look at it, it's called Fortney. You can get it from any auto parts store. You can get it from, I got it from Napa. I went to Advanced Auto Parts today. They didn't have it, so you will need one of these right there. This thing does a lot of stuff right there. If you're looking at it, you can clean your torch, clean your grills, your gas, propane grill. I mean, you just take this and poke it through it. It's about $10, and it's really good, and you can clean just about any small little just like that, like a carburetor I clean. So now I'm gonna put this on choke, turn the gas back on. I'm gonna see if it starts. It didn't start. It pisses me off earlier. I mean, I tried to start it, the gas wouldn't flow. I mean, this is literally brand new. I haven't, well, not brand new, but I have it for a long while. But I left it about 2 years. I didn't get a chance to use it. So next time I know that every winter, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bleed this out. I'm gonna just take all the gas out, because usually if you buy the 10% ethanol, is that what they call it? It even say right there 10% ethanol, and you can buy it from oh my god, I forgot the name of it. But anyway, I'll when I find out, I'll put it on here. That way, if you don't use your gas that much, it's not gonna build up that mildew stuff, and it clogged up the carburetor. That's what. Let's see. I put it on choke. I got the gas on. I turned the switch on. All the harness got an on and off switch. So, and I leave this on about medium. So let's see if it works. Wish me luck, right? Ooh. I don't want to leave it on too long, so yes, that works perfectly.